fried turkey. Welcome to Carter's Eat. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way to fry turkey legs and turkey wings. As you saw, we boiled the turkey ahead of time. We're using cornstarch and unbleached flour. We are dredging it in a plastic bag. I'm keeping it old school. You guys, I always season my flour. I took it upon myself to list the ingredients here in the video for you that I like to put in my flour. One of the best cooking tips I learned from an old school lady was to put your meat and seasoning in the freezer. It makes everything extra crispy. We always put whatever we find in the freezer first. Can't finish what? Excuse me? Okay, I'll take the baby. It's like Trump and Biden. You guys, my husband's having steak for dinner. My husband's having steak. Look at that. You guys, this cooked up perfectly, just like fried chicken. A couple of the pieces were so tender they fell apart, but I implore you to try this technique for frying your turkey. You will not be disappointed. Be sure to like, comment, and share, and subscribe right now to Carter's Eat.
Provide, do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side, make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough,